Hello everyone. Look what I just got. Live plants. Let's see what I ordered. Well, it's a rose, and let me tell you guys what kind of rose it is. Let me just take it out real quick. Plants look healthy. It's small, but look. There's buds. Let me take it out from this real quick. The packaging is really good. So it's in a, I believe this is a gallon pot, and they package really nice. They put the paper towel here. It's still wet. And the dirt is still a little bit wet. Not wet, not dry, but. And it is called Terry Marks. Yeah, can't wait for the bloom. Excited. So 1 gallon pot, or this is 1 gallon. I'm not sure if it's 1 gallon or this probably is 1 gallon. Yes, it is a 1 gallon. Yep, Terry Marks. It's already have buds. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna even snip it off. I want to see the flowers. So, all right. Excited.